Welcome to Sortly University, your go-to resource for mastering inventory management with Sortly. Whether you're a business owner, office manager, or in operations, today's video will equip you with the knowledge and tools to efficiently set up and manage your inventory. Let's dive into the essentials of organizing your inventory within Sortly. Whether you're managing supplies or equipment for your business or overseeing inventory audits, Sortly's easy-to-use platform is designed to streamline the process. First up, let's talk about folders. In Sortly, folders serve as virtual containers for your items, allowing you to categorize and group them in a way that makes sense for you. Whether it's by location, category, or project, folders help you keep track of what inventory is being used, where it's currently located, and who has it. Let's start by creating a folder for our existing inventory. To do this, we're going to select the Add Folder option in the top right corner and give it a name. From here, we can add tags such as a reference to the inventory stored in that folder, as well as notes that could include specific details. Once our tags and notes are in place, let's go ahead and add an image. We can either drag and drop an image into Sortly or upload it directly from our device and then click Add. If we want to make things easier to find, we can create subfolders. Let's make a subfolder for our materials. Just like before, we'll name our folder and put in any tags or notes if needed, as well as an image. Before we add it, we'll put this folder inside of our inventory folder. To do that, we're going to click the Add to Folders dropdown, select our correct folder, press Select, and then Add. Once we've set up our folders, it's time to add items to our inventory. Sortly allows you to create detailed item profiles so you can track important information such as the quantity, what the item looks like, or if it has variants such as the item coming in different sizes or colors. Let's start by adding some gloves to our inventory. After we select the Add Item button in the top right corner, we can enter in our item's name. From here, we can add in how many boxes of gloves we have and choose its unique unit of measurement from Sortly's list of options. After this, we can input how much each box costs and set a minimum level to visually see when our items are running low or need to be replenished. We can also set up an alert to let us know when we're running low and even let other team members know too. After this, we can add an image of our gloves to show what the item looks like. If our boxes of gloves come in different sizes or colors, we can add that in too. Before we finish adding in this item, we have the option to add in tags or notes as well as QR codes or barcodes, which we'll be covering in our next video. In addition, we have the option to create custom fields which allow us to track and customize unique information about our items. Sortly provides a list of commonly used fields, or we have the ability to create our own. Today, we are going to create a field that will help us track when we last purchased our items. Once we selected our field, we have the ability to add in specific details, and once it looks good, we can press Save. From here, we're going to go ahead and add in our purchase date, and before we add in our item, we're going to make sure that we're storing it under the right location. Once we've selected our correct folder, we can press Select and then Add. Now let's talk about mobility. As a professional, you're constantly on the move, and Sortly goes where you go. Whether you're on site, in the warehouse, or in the office, Sortly's mobile app gives you the freedom to manage your inventory anytime, anywhere. Through the app, we can check how many of a specific item we have by finding the item and instantly seeing what it looks like, its quantity, and current folder. From there, we can update the quantity, move the item to a new folder, and so much more. You can easily create a barcode or QR code for items that may not have one. It's like giving each item its own unique ID, making it quick and easy to organize and track your items in seconds. In addition, you can scan an item's barcode or QR code in seconds. To scan an item, simply click Link QR/barcode. From here, you can scan the existing code and click Link. It's as simple as that. Now when you go back to your item, you can easily see the barcode. In the fast-paced world, staying organized is key. That's why at Sortly University, we're committed to empowering you with the knowledge and tools you need to optimize your inventory. Today, we've covered the fundamentals of setting up and managing your inventory in Sortly, but there's still so much more to explore. In our next video, we'll explore advanced techniques for tracking your inventory in Sortly and dive into the powerful features of Sortly's reports. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to inventory management, Sortly has you covered.